Hello, I'm Dr. Vigoren. I'm a restorative dentist in Newport Beach for the last over 4 decades. Today I'm going to talk about prevention. The best way to limit dental costs is to prevent the need for dental costs. And preventing the need for dental costs can start at birth, it can start in childhood, or it can start in your adult life. And there are certain things that we can show you or teach you. Actually, let me take that back. We can't teach anybody anything, but we can help people teach themselves or to learn how to prevent stuff. And so we have several areas, from educational understanding of bacteria on teeth to preventing and eliminating developmental holes in teeth that everybody has, to cleaning out teeth that still have bacteria in them. And these are all preventative concepts in different areas, in different stages of life. But you can't have a catastrophic failure. You can't be at the end of your dentition's life and expect prevention to limit costs. And so these videos, I'd like to move to the front of the process and not to the collision repair after the car is totally damaged. In other words, this is in the maintenance and in the prevention of dental disease. So we have 3 topics. The first one will be educational for mothers, grandmothers, parents, how to teach their children, their young children, how to prevent disease for a lifetime. Thank you. If you like this video, you can come and see more of them.